Hello beautiful souls! Today you will learn how to make a simple macrame adjustable choker necklace with gemstones. This is a beaded necklace with natural beads I'm making for a wonderful Aquarius that bought it from my Etsy shop. That's why I'm using Green Aventurine, Amethyst, Black Onyx and Carnelian. You will pass the beads through your first 95 cm string and bring them to the middle. You can of course use the gemstones you prefer. I love how the design looks with the larger 10 mm amethyst bead in the middle of the 6 mm beads, but feel free to create the design you want. I've created these dainty Zodiac choker necklaces for those who want something minimal. It opens up to approximately 65 centimeters, so you can easily wear it close to your neck as a choker, or lower if you prefer as a necklace. Now, you will pin down your string with the gemstones in the middle. You will take your second 95 cm cord, fold it in half and pass it under your first cord. Time to start making our fours. Pass your right string over the middle one. Now, take your left string, bring it over the previously right one, then under it and under the middle cord, and over the left cord. You will repeat this 15 times to create the spiral part of your necklace. Once it is ready, all you need to do is braid your strings until you've reached 31 centimeters of length. Make a knot with all 3 strings and repeat the same process on the other side. Your choker is ready and it has a total length of approximately 66 centimeters. When you add your closer, it will reduce the circumference by 1 centimeter. To make your closer, you will pin the braided part on your corkboard and make 3 square knots. If you want a full tutorial on how to make a square knot closer, I will put the link to my step-by-step video in the description below. Now that it is ready, you will make an overhead knot at the back of your closer. Cut and burn the edges to secure your choker. It's ready. Please be kind to yourself and remember that practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. It helps me a lot. If you have any questions, know that I'm right here, sending you love and light.